G'day Sawdust Makers, it's Ryan here. I'm digging around in the vault looking for old projects that I can show you. I've been talking for some time now that I've got quite a lot of projects that I haven't showed you yet, and now they're coming. If you haven't already, I encourage you to subscribe and to hit the notification bell so you get notified every time one of these videos pops up. Now, I will still be bringing you project videos, but if you see From the Vault in that title, then you know it's one of those older ones that I've been talking about for quite some time. So I hope you enjoy them. So far in my time down here digging in the vault, I've uncovered 7 projects. So they'll be coming to you over the course of the next few months, as well as current projects and the other normal shenanigans you can expect from my channel. Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you this quick update from down here. So keep an eye out for the From the Vault Oz Sawdust Makers series. To get the ball rolling, here's the first one. Right there. Enjoy. Catch you later.